When we fly the best drones, we're assessing several things: how well they fly, how well they shoot, and how well they perform for the price. The results are different for every drone we test. That's why we recommend different drones for different people in this guide. Of all the drones we've flown, our personal favorite is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's a feature-packed sub-250 AG drone, complete with obstacle avoidance and an excellent camera. It's also safe and easy for first-timers to fly, making it one of the best beginner drones. But it won't be the right choice for everyone. We have listed the 6 best drones 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with it. Number 6. DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI has once again raised the bar in the world of compact drones with the introduction of the Mini 2 SE. This lightweight and portable drone is designed to appeal to both beginners and experienced pilots alike, offering an impressive combination of advanced features and user-friendly controls. Weighing in at just 249 grams, the Mini 2 SE is easy to carry on any adventure, making it the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts and travel aficionados. Equipped with a robust camera that captures stunning 12-minute stills and 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, the Mini 2 SE ensures that every moment can be documented in high quality, whether you're flying over breathtaking landscapes or capturing memorable family events. The enhanced transmission technology allows for a range of up to 10 kilometers, providing pilots with the freedom to explore further without losing connection. Furthermore, the Mini 2 SE boasts impressive flight time, with up to 31 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended aerial exploration without the constant need to recharge. The intuitive DJI Fly app enhances the flying experience, offering easy-to-use features such as quick shots that enable users to capture cinematic footage with minimal effort. Safety is also a priority with the Mini 2 SE, which includes features like GPS-based positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality, ensuring that both novice and expert pilots can fly with confidence. Number 5. DJI Avata 2 Fly More. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo takes the excitement of aerial photography and videography to new heights, providing enthusiasts with an exceptional flying experience. This package comes equipped with everything you need to elevate your drone adventures, including extra batteries for extended flight times, propellers for ensuring you have backups on hand, and a robust carrying case to keep your gear safe and organized. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 is its improved stability and maneuverability, allowing for smooth cinematic shots even in challenging conditions. With intuitive controls and an enhanced transmission system, the drone delivers stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring every moment is captured in breathtaking detail. The intelligent flight modes make it easy for users of all skill levels to achieve professional quality results, whether you are shooting sweeping landscapes or following fast-moving subjects. Moreover, the Avata 2 incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology, providing peace of mind as you navigate through tight spaces or complex environments. This ensures that you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without the fear of crashes or mishaps. With a range of customizable settings and a user-friendly interface, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is not just a drone. It's an invitation to explore new creative possibilities in your aerial photography journey. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned pro, this package is designed to unlock your potential and take your aerial footage to the next level. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is the latest addition to DJI's esteemed lineup of consumer drones, and it sets a new standard for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Air 3 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. One of the standout features of the Air 3 is its dual camera system, which includes a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. This innovative setup allows users to switch between different perspectives seamlessly, capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and high-resolution 48mm still images. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or close-up shots of wildlife, the versatility of the dual camera system ensures you never miss a moment. In addition to its impressive camera capabilities, the Air 3 boasts enhanced flight performance. With a longer flight time of up to 46 minutes, users can explore more without the constant worry of battery life. The drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that provide 360-degree protection, allowing for confident flying even in complex environments. The Air 3 also features DJI's intelligent flight modes, including Focus Track, which allows the drone to autonomously follow subjects, and Quick Shots, which enables users to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable advancement in the realm of compact drones, combining impressive features with exceptional portability. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this lightweight drone is designed for both amateur and professional users who want to capture stunning aerial footage without the bulk of larger models. With its sleek design and intuitive controls, the Mini 3 is not only easy to transport, but also a joy to fly. Equipped with a high-quality camera that boasts 4K video capabilities and a 12-megapixel sensor, the Mini 3 allows users to capture breathtaking imagery from the sky, with incredible detail and clarity. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions, making it ideal for dynamic shooting environments. Furthermore, the Mini 3 features a robust battery life, granting users extended flight times to explore and capture their surroundings without frequent interruptions. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 3 is its intelligent flight modes. With options such as quick shots and active track, users can effortlessly create professional-looking videos and photos with minimal effort. These features enable the drone to automatically follow subjects or execute complex flight patterns, making it perfect for capturing action shots or creative perspectives. Additionally, the Mini 3 offers enhanced connectivity options, allowing for seamless live streaming and easy sharing of content. The companion app provides a user-friendly interface for editing and managing footage, further streamlining the creative process. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap in drone technology, delivering an impressive combination of advanced features and high-quality performance that sets it apart in the crowded drone market. With its dual-camera system, the Mavic 3 Pro boasts a primary 423 CMOS Hasselblad camera that captures stunning 20-megapixel still images and breathtaking 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. This allows for incredible detail and color accuracy, making it an ideal choice for professional photographers and videographers alike. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its extended flight time. With an impressive maximum flight duration of up to 46 minutes, users can capture more footage without the constant worry of battery life. This is particularly beneficial for those shooting in remote locations or for extended projects where frequent landings to change batteries can be disruptive. The innovative omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology enhances safety and ease of use, allowing the drone to navigate complex environments with confidence. This feature enables the Mavic 3 Pro to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, providing peace of mind for both novice and experienced pilots. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro supports advanced transmission technology with O3 Plus, OcuSync 3.0 Plus, that provides a stable and clear video feed up to 15 kilometers away. This extended range and improved transmission quality ensure that users can maintain control and capture high-quality footage from a distance. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, our choice. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable addition to DJI's lineup of compact drones, pushing the boundaries of what a portable aerial device can achieve. This drone is designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a blend of advanced features in a lightweight and user-friendly package. One of the standout aspects of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera system, which boasts a larger sensor capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel still images and 4K video at 60 frames per second. This allows users to create breathtaking content with exceptional clarity and detail, making it perfect for everything from landscape photography to dynamic action shots. The drone's enhanced low-light performance ensures that users can capture high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to its camera capabilities, the Mini 4 Pro includes advanced intelligent flight modes that make it easier than ever to capture cinematic footage. Features like Active Track, which allows the drone to follow and frame subjects automatically, and Master Shots, which executes a series of pre-programmed maneuvers to create polished videos, enable users to unleash their creativity without extensive piloting skills. Safety is also a top priority with the Mini 4 Pro. It comes equipped with obstacle sensors on all sides, providing added protection during flight and allowing for a more confident flying experience, especially for beginners. The drone's compact design means it's easy to transport, making it an ideal companion for travel, outdoor adventures, or even casual weekend outings.